Hare Krishna everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am making Ghiraula aloo known as smooth curd and potato fry. So let's make it together. This is simple yet flavorful Nepali dish that's paired perfectly with dal, rice, Cukauni salad or only with ghee as well. Growing up, I never really ate this back home, so my mom will be shocked to see me cooking Ghiraula now. Okay, then let's grab your ingredient and let's get started. Wash and peel the Ghiraula, then chop it into small pieces. Peel and chop the potato into cubes. Chop and grind the ginger. Heat oil in a pan. Once hot, add 5 seed mix, panch phoran, let it splutter. Add 1 to 2 chilies into the pan and stir fry. Add Ghiraula and potato into pan, stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Cover the pan with the lid and let it cook on a low heat for 5 minutes. Stir occasionally. After that, add coriander powder, turmeric powder, salt and mix well. Once they are soft, add ginger paste. Cook for another 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until all the flavor blend well. Sprinkle coriander leaves and serve hot. Enjoy with dal, vaat, Cukauni and Fresh salad. Thank you for watching, and if you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe and have a great day.